Hi, and welcome back to our channel. I am Sofia, the daughter of Kirsten Berg.
And today, I will be showing you the Highlighter Headers Challenge.
In this video, what you will need is some paper, any highlighters, a biro, and a box. First, I'm going to put all my highlighters in the box. I'm going to shake it up and pick one out at random. Okay. A pink, broad bit, I just write. With the biro, I just write straight through it the same word, but in a cursive style. I'll do a subheading underneath in that cursive style. Now let's try it with a different highlighter. I'm going to shake it up this time. Instead of using the broad edge, I'm going to use the corner. I'm going to write through it again. I'm going to shake it up. Got a neon one this time, purple. Make sure you're keeping it on the broad bit. And if you want, you can add a line on the bit that would be like shaded in using the biro. So you just draw a line down like that. Blue. I'm going to do a paper aeroplane as if it's flown through it.
There's so many design ideas. How many can you come up with? Share it using the hashtag #TheModernCalligraphyKidsClub. I would love to see what you've come up with.